Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to know how to change the Outlook view back to normal, as you can see, I don't have a reading pane over here, where if I click an email, it will not do anything. So in order for you to change this layout, you would just simply go for the view over here at the top. And now over here on the top, you should be able to see layout. And after that, you should be able to see here a reading pane. So from here, you will have options like right, bottom. So in order for you to make it a default one, just simply select right. And after that, you should be able to see it on the right side over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, please subscribe if this helps you out in order for you to help me out as well. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.